Welcome back to 8482 Media. Today we are going over how to add tokens onto your Metamask account. We're going to want to import the token, but to import the token, you need the contract address for that. So what you're going to want to do is go on coinmarketcap.com right over here, and then let's go back to the main page. And now we want to import a token, and we need the contract address for that. So let's do Polygon. Click on Polygon. And now it brings you over to this page where you get all the Polygon information. And on top, you're going to see the contract address right over here. And we can just press this button, copy address, go back to MetaMask, click on import tokens, copy paste it into the search bar. And now we can be connected and import Matic network token, which is the Polygon token. So we're going to click on that, click next, import tokens. And now we have successfully imported a token into MetaMask. So we can go back to account 1, and there you see it. Thank you guys for watching. Have a great day.